Myself, Pramod Kumar Sharma. I will take sociology lectures on the social change. The social change, it is very difficult task to explain how the social change is taking place in the society and how the other persons are they are affected by them. So it is most difficult to understand one with the scientific study of the social change. So any changes taking places in the society as per the scientific manner. So whatever the criteria uh, scheduled to changing in the scientific manner, all are purified by this happening, and any things are happening in social systems are termed as a social phenomena. And if there is a change in the social phenomena, that changes can be termed as a social change. So we can say uh, in social phenomena, whatever the things are being changed, whether it is a partially change or the wholly change, all are coming under this category and they can be termed as a social change. So if we talk as a layman, so starting from the morning to night and starting from the birth to death, any activities are carried out in the societal network in the life world, whether it is the wanted or unwanted, but all are can be termed as a social activities. And is there any variation in the day-to-day work or regular work or routine work, that can be termed as a social change. So, in a nutshell, we can say any variation found in the life world is known as the social change. Either it is the changes in the living style, changes in the food intake patterns, changes in the social cohabitation, changes in the marriage, or changes in the kinship system, or the any social concept, all are coming under the ambit of social change. So, change is the internal law, or it is the natural law. So, when a child takes birth, slowly, gradually, he becomes old and died, and the whole things are getting changed from birth to death. So, we can say it is a social phenomena. Under that, all the things are getting changed with respect to the time. So the human composition of society changes over the time. It is relevant to the technology, and due to expansion of the technology, ideology and values takes on their own course, and on the basis of that, the changes that taking place in the institutional functions and the structure of the institutions, so all are getting changed and they are undergo for reshaping. So whenever there is a reshaping process in the societal network is experienced, that can be termed as a social change. So we can say social change includes the technological changes, so starting from the innovation to invention or the working mechanism in the factory system and the setup and the establishment of the factory system, uh, induction of new machine systems, production at the high rate, and production at the low cost for the high gain. So is there any changes taking place in the technological side? It is also coming under the social change. In the biological change, as we know, man takes birth and later on died. So between that gap, whatever the change is taking place, it is also the coming under the ambit of social change in terms of the biological change. Then institutional change, then structure change, the fundamental changes, the managerial changes in the life world are also experienced, and due to the changes in the all the aspects of life, the human being and their values are also getting changed. Now, the social change refers to the modification also. So, whenever we are modifying the existing establishment or in the existing structure or the existing norms or in the existing regulations. If we found any changes due to the modification or implementation of the new things which are to be added or deleted from the existing establishment, that are also coming under the ambit of social change. So social change refers to the modification which takes place in life pattern of people. So in every aspect of the individual or every aspect of the life pattern of the people, if there are any changes as experienced, that changes can be termed as a social change. History and science bear ample testimony to the fact that changes in the law of life. So whenever there is a change in the uh, survival of the individual, or is there any change in the livelihood, or any change in the work, or any change in the profession, or any change in the uh, uh, occupation, they are also coming under the uh, arena of social change. So a social change is a nexus of present relationships and the interactions. Due to changes in the relationship, we are getting the change in the marriage systems, the kinship systems, and the family structures are getting totally changed due to the social change. So whenever we are finding any modification in the existing uh, relationship and there is a change in that relationship, they are also uh, coming under the ambit of social change. So we can say the differences in any social phenomena over a given time period or with respect to the time, if there is a changes in the social structure, that whether the structure can be changed fully or partially, that can be defined as a social change. It also describes the variation of any aspect of the social process. So there are many things happening in the society. There are so many processes undergoing day by day. We talk in the technological field, the valve system nowadays changes the ICs and the chips and the microchips, and the changes taking places due to the social process, and is also a example of the social change. If we are finding the change in the social pattern or the social relationship or social interaction among the people, if we found any changes taking places in day-to-day life in the society among the individual, that is also a social change. So we can say the society is a system of usage. System of usage means whatever we are doing as per the norms, and that norms are governed by the family or the society or the state or the authority. If we found any changes in the norms, in any change in the customs, any change in the modes, any change in the tradition that affect our life, and this is also giving the good vision of social changes. So whenever we are experiencing the change in the authority, and suppose someday one is the commissioner, next day or after completion of the tenure, the another commissioner comes, the authority gets changed, and it is also on the basis of social changes. So we can say uh, the maturity or the understanding between the individual, the individual maturity always based on the deep feeling and likeness. On the basis of deep feeling and likeness, if there is a change in the social pattern and the authority or among the mutual understanding of the individual, so their feelings and likeness also getting changed. Whenever we are experiencing the change in the feelings of the individual, when we are experiencing the change in the likeness or this likeness of the individual in the given time framework, so all are coming under the in meet of social change, today's scenario, we can say there is a great change in the uh, every institution taking places. So, if we talk in terms of the family or the marriage systems, they are also getting changed by the system, and all the systems are running behind. So, we can say whenever there is a change in the uh, social structure in terms of the marriage, so slowly, traditional marriage changing to the modern marriage, and the modern marriage based on the romance marriage, and there are so many norms and the values are getting changed, and on the basis of that we can say that is a changing taking places on the marriage system. So in this way the social structures are getting changed day by day, and all the persons which are working together for the cohesion of the society, they are also getting changed, and their ideology, their concept, their receiving of the mind also getting changed, and all the persons are working together for the development of the society. The structure and the reshaping of the society also getting changed. So all these are coming under the social change. So we can say a new mode of modifying or replacing the old in the operation of the society. It can be also termed as a society. Whenever we find that in the traditional family, so many things are happening as per the customs, and all the individuals are working towards the customs, and whenever they are codified the customs, they are taking advantage of the customs, and they are following the path of customs. So, starting from the traditional to the modern, if we observe changing the custom system, that can be termed as a social change also. So, we can say whenever there is a variation in the system and the mode of social change, and we are experiencing the structure or the any change in the food intake pattern. So if we talk in terms of food intake pattern, so in the primitive era, the all are taking food in the different category, and they are having the cohabitation on the basis of that. So if we talk in terms of the India is a caste resident society, and all the persons, they are working towards the welfare of the caste. So in the changing the caste system also experience that is the social change. So if we come to the conclusion, so on the basis of that, the the social change, there are three main criteria. First, that is the social innovation. Social innovation means whatever the innovation, invention, modification are taking places on day-to-day basis in the societal system, and their structures are getting changed, and their values, human values, their the uh, interaction level, or their the cohabitation level, or the mutuality among the persons with respect to the reciprocal action are also getting the change in the social system. So this is also constitute the social change. Then we are coming to the innovation in the public and the private organization. So the government uh, sectors, there are so many changes taking places in the, all the aspects of the life, whether it is the education, whether it is the health, hygiene, sanitation, then the road and transport, communication, and the day-to-day activity. Under that, all the persons are working towards the innovation in the public sector. So whenever there is a change in the public sector, the organization or the institution, whatever the changes are taking place is that whether they are the planned or not planned, but all the things are getting changed, and this is also a social change criteria. Now we talk in terms of private organization. the structure of the private organization and their the functions are getting changed. So whenever there is change in the structure or whenever there are changing the social interactions or the social things happening, places taking places in the private sector, the interaction among the people are getting changed and all the systems are taking places in the society. So we can say whenever there is change in the society or their outcomes are getting interferences between the social norms or the human values, they are also coming under the ambit of social change. Now, the product and the process innovation and why the technology. So, with the impact of the latest science and technology, if we are finding any changes in the production line or the process of innovation, whether the medium level innovation or the large scale innovation or the small scale innovation. In all the innovation, all the systems are taking places which are giving the impact of the technological system and on the basis of that all the systems are taking places and the social things are taking places. Now, if we talk in terms of the uh, different process of the changes taking places by the implementation of the science and technology. So, with the help of science and technology, there are changes taking place in the industrialization. As you know, industrialization is the process under that the establishment of manufacturing systems and invention of the machine are set up with the large manpower and the large scale production with the cheap rates, and they are also having with the trade unions and the union of the workers, and they are also constitute the labor court and they are the members and the judges. Besides that, they are also having the uh, tribunal or the industrial tribunal under that whatever the grievances of the workers are taking places that are to be noted down and within a given period that disputes are to be sorted out by the authority, and under that the changes taking place in the society. Then due to the urbanization, the different persons coming from the village and getting settled in the city, and they are giving the tremendous change in the social structure. So the less money also required to furnish the things for the development of the other persons, and in this way the organization also takes in the social change. So all the members of the family they want to live with the organized and civilized persons. They also running behind the search of the good food and the good money so that they can have the good hygiene and health system and the social security. So whenever they are going towards a system under that, all the things are taking places, and when all the persons are taking places, it's also a concept of the social change. Now, so we can say the urbanization is the process under that the village people coming to the city, and slowly they adopt the norms of the city and they become the urban, and their life and entire gamut of the individual are affected by the urbanization system, and in this way the social changes taking places. Then modernization means the upgrading the individual or pushing the science and technology of the individual and living in a free style. So all are the modernization process. So under the modernization, all the needs and requirements they also become the need, and the old things are to be replaced with the modern one, and on the basis of that, all the systems are running behind, and in this way the social changes are taking places. So whenever there is a change in the social system, whenever there is change in the social system, so all the things are getting changed, even the human value also are being getting changed. Now if we talk in terms of the technology and the social life, due to the social change and due to the impact of the good technology, our social life are being getting changed, and in the starting we are living as a traditional family, so the traditional family gone and the ultra-modern family came get places with the social change process. So we can say the caste system also changing and the other things are getting places. So we can say we are changing the caste system. The if we talk in the Brahmic theory of the caste, the origin of the caste, where as per the Brahmic theory, the Brahmins are the main uh, superior, and they are only designed the school as per division of labor to do the system. So they also advocate the Varna system, and the Varna system totally based on the division of labor, and all the persons working towards the fulfillment of the social system, and on the basis of that, there is a change in the caste system taking places. So in the village area or the urban area, there is a changes in taking place in the caste system. The rigidity in the caste systems are also getting changed nowadays. Normal people, which are uh, part by the higher caste in the social system, they are also leaving the village and coming to the city, and they are enjoying as per the fruit of the social changes. So, due to the impact of technology and science, our joint family also getting changed. The joint family, the breakdown of the joint family also taking place, and in place of the joint family, the new concept of the ultra-modern family also coming, and in that there is no parental control, and they are the autonomous body, and they are ignoring the social norms. They have also the less impact of the religion. Whenever they are talking about the religion, so they only are busy with their own business, not the customs and the tradition. This way, the custom and traditions are ignored, and they are not knowing the value of the human being. So we talk in terms of the social change, impact of the social life, that is the marriage. So in the primitive era or the traditional marriage are taking places. So in place of the traditional marriage, they are also getting a change, and the modern marriage taking places. So you can see in the marriage system now, the marriage must remain the sacrament, and there is no age bar with the marriage. There is no concept of the family improvement, or there is no change in the systems. So marriage is not necessary for the modern family. That is the requirement, and that can be fulfilled after the having the good opportunity of the career. So due to that, the late marriage and the unmatched marriage, there are so many arguments that are coming out, but it is negligible. It is through the science and change, because it is also giving changes in the social life. We talk in terms of the religion, all the system in the religion systems are also getting changed. So many of the persons living in the village and coming to the city, they have the less belief in the religion, and they are adopting a religion their own for the fulfillment of their own reasons, and in this way, the whole the systems are getting changed, which also is full change. Now, if we talk in terms of the political arena, the state is the superpower to having the authority and changing the super change by laying down the rules and regulations and passing out the bills and acts in the parliament or the legislative assembly. Under that, the new type of the legislation coming to the existence. On the basis of that, the social life of the individual are getting changed. So whenever we are coming to the uh, impact of the social change, it is also the good effect of the transport and communication, agriculture, and the war. So we can say, in case of the war, there are great changes taking places in the border areas, and there are so many troops are getting casualties, and they are getting the compensation by the government, and the enhancement of the transport and communication is also getting changing the social life and impact of the individual. So if we talk in terms of the agriculture, the day-to-day activity, and all the types of the crops are getting changed. Now there is no concept of the Rabi and Kharif crops. As per the requirement, so all the persons and the villagers, they are doing the agriculture, and even they also develop the grove land. So on the development of the grove land, they also enhance the mode of horticulture and the pisciculture. Under that, they are also having the active gain with the selling of the horticulture items. And in this way, we can say it is giving the good impact of the social changes. So now we can conclude the thing. The social changes is the phenomena changing on the individual from morning to night and the birth to the death. So no corner of the human aspect's life are getting left without the impact of the social change. So social change is a universal phenomena, and it is found everywhere, and all the persons they are working in their own specialized field, they also experience there is a change in the social arena, and on the basis of that, they have gone through the so many phenomena, so many process, and the social change taking places with the different modes, and on the basis of different modes like the social process, social progress, social adoption, regulation, cooperation, accommodation, integration, sensitization, modernization, industrialization, evolution, regression, reforms, movements, competition, assimilation, isolation, westernization, urbanization, conflict. So during this process, different modes of the social changes are taking places, and social changes experience. So we can say the whatever the changes taking places in the society with the help of any process. So that can be experienced, and they definitely bring the change in the society. So whenever we are take into the consideration that all the systems are getting changed and change the universal process, and always we can achieve the target. So we can say the whenever there is a change in the progress, so whether it is the upward direction or the downward direction, is there any progress or the regress experience, it is also giving the term of social change. So whether all the processes are getting changed or the changes taking place in the system also experienced with the help of society, and all the systems are changed, it is an ample example of social changes. Now with the help of social adaptation, whenever we are adopting the norms of the others and we are getting updated, and in this way we are living our own modes and accepting the new norms, we are also giving the impact of the social change, and in this way they are also getting changed, and all the four, or we can say all the aspects of the society are being changed, and change the natural process. Under that, regulation taking places. So whenever there is a protest on any given issues, or the any rules and the legislation under that we can achieve. So thank you for this lecture.